is Perry, and today we're going to be learning how to count by twos, or add by twos. Doesn't that sound fun? Not really? No. What if I told you that you got to eat some M&Ms after you were done? Does that sound a little fun?
Yes.
Okay. So while I'm passing out these M&Ms, I'm going to need everyone to put their name and date on the worksheet that is in front of them. Now, we can't eat these M&Ms right now, but we can after we are done, because we're going to use them for math.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So everyone has their name and date on the paper?
Yes.
Okay. So can anyone tell me anything that they know about addition?
It makes a bigger number.
Raise your Yes, Andrea?
It makes a bigger number.
It makes a bigger number. Great. Okay, anyone else?
It's like you put numbers together.
It's like you put numbers together. What happens to the number when you put them together?
The numbers get
The
bigger.
numbers get bigger. Good job. Okay. So we're going to first start by putting two M&Ms in the dark box, and we're only going to work with the front side this time for the first part. So two M&Ms all the way down on the front side.
In each box?
In each box, on each dark box.
Did you get these for Halloween? Trick-or-treating was fun, wasn't it?
Trick-or-treating was fun. What did you guys dress up as?
It was a Power Ranger.
You were a Power Ranger?
It was a lifeguard.
Awesome.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, so adding is really all about counting, if you think about it. So for example, if I were to add 2 to the number 3, I would start with 3 and then count up by 2. So 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Feel free to use your fingers or use your M&Ms. So let's go ahead and start with 0 plus 2. So we're using the M&Ms to represent the 2. So can we start with 0 and then count up by 2s? 0, out loud. 1, 2. Good job. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay. And you can either write it or put M&Ms there. It's up to you. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Okay. Let's go to 1 plus 2. So we start with the first number and we count up by 2. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Alright, on to the next one. Now we start with 2. This is where it gets a little tricky. You can't start with just 1. So you start with 2, you start 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So what's the first thing that we do with 3 plus 2? What do we start with?
3.
We start with 3, right. And then what do we do?
Count up.
We count up by how many? By 2. Good job. So what is 3 plus 2?
4, 5.
5. Great. Who can explain how to do 4 plus 2? Raise your hand. Yes?
So we start by 4.
Start with 4.
We add up our 2, so 5, 6.
5, 6. Does everyone understand that? Does anyone have any questions?
You get it.
You guys all get it?
I have a deformed M&M.
Yeah, there's a form M&M.
Yeah.
You better eat it.
Really?
Yeah.
She gets eaten
Okay.
M&M. I should get eaten M&M.
Who was feeling very brave?
Very-
Bonnie, you're feeling brave? Okay, do you think that you could possibly go up to the board and do 5 plus 2? Okay, I'm going to draw 2 M&Ms. Okay. So can you explain why you're doing it, what you start with?
Start with the number 5.
Mhm.
Because it's right here.
Yeah,
And 6, 7.
good job. Can you call on someone else to come up to the board and do 6 plus 2? Someone raise their hand?
Yeah, yours are so straight. Do we turn the page?
No.
We're gonna have trouble.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, clear your board, clear your paper of the M&Ms. And we're gonna flip it
Bless you.
to the back side. Do you want to go ahead and clear your board? Nice job. Good job. Thank you. You go ahead and clear the front side of your paper, move to the back. So we've already done 6 plus 2. So now we're gonna do 7 plus 2. So what is the first thing that we do?
Start at 7. It's 8.
Oh.
So yeah, so 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay.
It looked like you're thinking
Yep. Alright, so
it.
what
You know
is the
something
first?
else I noticed? They're just going up one at a time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah,
Our
it's a
answers.
pattern, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah?
I would have thunk it.
You would have found it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
First graders with phones.
Unreal.
That was
Hey.
my alarm for the next class.
So you guys, again and again, no phones in class.
You're only.
No
Next
phone
time
6
it's the
p.m.
office. Okay, so what is the first thing that we do for the problem 7 plus 2?
Start at 7 and
You start at 7 and you add 2. So what is the answer? 9. Very good. Very fast. Great.
I think the next answer is 10.
Why do you think the next answer
Because
is
of
10?
the pattern.
Because the pattern. What's the pattern?
Because it keeps going up one time.
It keeps going up one time. Yep, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Would anyone like to guess 9 plus 2? Guessing, or on the pattern? Yes? 11. And 10 plus 2 is? 12. Wonderful. Okay, so now you can start enjoying your M&Ms. So we've noticed the pattern 2, 3, and 4. So every time you add 2, it goes up by 1. But right now we're just going to be looking every other number. And this is how you count by 2s. So it's 2, add 2, 4, add 2, 6, add 2, 8, add 2,
10.
add 2,
12.
What would be the next number in the pattern? Yes?
14.
14. Okay, great job. So that is how you add by 2s. Okay. Alright, so as we line up for lunch, I need everyone to count by 2s as high as they can.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Alex is good.
We're only in first grade. Hey, just means what's more in first grade? I might need my hands.
Hey, great job, guys.
Thank
I
you.
made way too many.
Are you done?
I think you're
Yeah,
done.
I'm done.